The first 5 emails that will make or break you. In order to get effective results from your email marketing, you should monitor them for improvements. And for you to accurately measure the success of your emails, you should maintain a close eye on the statistics. Tracking your email's performance will help you determine whether your email campaigns were able to outperform or underperform your email benchmarks. Several key metrics can help you analyze the effectiveness of your email marketing. Following could be taken as the yardstick for measuring their effectiveness. Open rates. It is the total number of emails opened divided by the total number of emails sent during a campaign. If your emails get high open rates, it shows that your email subject line is working and that your recipients are showing interest in you or your brand. Click rate. CTR is the number of times the audience clicked one or more links containing your message. The rate average will reveal if your recipient finds your message relevant or if the content is good enough to compel them to action. Your sales number is expected to increase with the increased number of click-throughs on your email. In order to get your product sold, you need to get better click-through rates. Day and time of email. Determining the best times to send out emails will help you achieve higher open and click rates. Research shows that sending your email campaigns on certain times will increase their chance of being read. The day and time your emails are sent matters to ensure it is being opened and clicked. If your email is ignored by recipients, it could mean that you are completely missing the recipient when they click their emails. There's no point sending someone an email when they're asleep. Your email should hit the recipient's inbox at a time when they are most active online. Bounces. Your email list needs to be active. If in case it contains dormant addresses to which emails are bounced back, your marketing strategy will not work. Increase your autoresponder scores for better deliverability. More emails delivered means more opens and ultimately more sales. Bounces occur when your emails fail to reach your recipient. You call it a soft bounce when your recipient experiences a problem with their server or has a full inbox. A hard bounce occurs when the email address is invalid or non-existent. Unsubscribing. Unsubscribe rate shows the impression of your audience on your messaging. Keep this rate at a low level by maintaining your connection with them in terms of their likes, opinions, and interests. If more people are unsubscribing from your email list, you need to find the reason. Maybe you need to rethink when and how many emails you send. Keep your content relevant to what the readers subscribe to. Content creation tips. For a successful email marketing campaign, you need to come up with fresh, unique ideas and content. How your recipients respond to your offer depends on how your content resonates with them. If you can come up with fresh and content ideas, you can succeed in winning your readers for conversions. Now, we've listed down some of the best tips on how to craft original and engaging content. Take a look. Find a source of inspiration. Inspiration leads you to generate ideas and content for writing. You need to be on lookout for ideas and sources of inspiration while traveling, reading newspapers and magazines, internet surfing, and so on. Keep a notebook handy and bookmark interesting and inspiring points along to help you build up content. Have a high-quality email template. Create standard high-quality email templates for different types of communication so that you can easily fit in content wherever your idea strikes you. Having a template handy will save you time designing it from scratch every time. A few adjustments should be much better than having to start from scratch every time an idea hits you. You should give readers the impression that you don't run out of ideas. Don't bore your list. Use coupons and special offers. Attractive discounts and purchase coupons make an excellent attention-grabbing feature when you make them a highlight of your email. The buyers love discounts and special offers. Treat your customers with them from time to time. Now take note, it is not wise if you give coupons, bonuses, or special offers regularly, as your list will start to think that you are not really giving them a real treat. Use this strategically in your next campaign and start gaining more satisfied customers. Check the tone. And once you're done with your writing, get your email proofread to check that it conforms to the nature and requirements of your campaign. It needn't be like speaking in a corporate language or to be humorous. Speak the language of your audience. Reply to emails the way your subscribers write you emails. Engage with them and address your readers appropriately. Now, there is no need to include technical jargon in your emails if your recipient is a newbie in your niche. The purpose here is to get your point across and not try to look good by using words that your readers won't understand. Pick a theme. It is important for your email to be based on a particular theme. Pick up a theme that goes along with the niche, nature, content, and time of your email so that it gets well received. You can use some latest event or story so that you can engage with your readers quickly. An email with a defined theme will help you focus on the main content of the email. Invite guests to add content. You can even invite short articles, note of advices from other people in your industry. These additions to your content can be very interesting and exciting. Also, you can add frequently asked questions to your content to answer the usual queries that may arise in the mind of your subscribers. This will help you establish a connection with your reader and give the impression that you care about them and keep them involved. Send out a survey. Getting feedback from customers is also very important as they help you improve your email marketing campaign. Their opinions and expectations from your email marketing will help you make your campaigns more effective. Surveys need to be sent periodically, but you do not want to irritate readers by sending them too often. Listen to your audience once in a while, and they'll help you put together an effective campaign. Ask your family or friends. Even your family or friends might have valuable ideas and opinions that might help your campaign excel. These wise words might lead you to better ideas and fresh content for your campaign. Sources of inspiration don't come to you when you're looking for them. They occur unexpectedly, anytime, anywhere, or from anyone. Cutting down on content. Email marketers have a firm belief in marketing emails interesting to grab the attention of their readers. In order to do so, they keep on adding content for promoting their brand and holding on to the interest of readers. What they don't realize is that while making their content more interesting, they get carried away and write lengthy content that, if read, will consume your recipient's valuable time. A few minutes may not seem that long, but you have to remember your reader only has an attention span of about 7 to 15 seconds, depending on the length of the email. They don't have enough time to appreciate everything you want to say. No one wants to read lengthy emails, so get to the point. Your readers need simple and small notes that explain everything they need to know. You can use few of the following tips to cut down your email content to make it more readable and interesting. Keep paragraphs short. Long paragraphs of content are never advisable in email marketing. Small paragraphs with crisp and direct information are much more appreciated by your subscribers. You can add several topics and add a read more link for them if you have more content. Tease your audience with small, exciting snippets of content and lure them to take action to get them to go to your desired destination, i.e., sales page or website. Keep titles and important content above the fold. Research tells us that the subscribers do not notice words past the first couple of words in each paragraph. You need to make sure that the titles of most important content of your emails are above the fold to catch your subscribers' attention. Tweak your content for new content and optimized results. Your email should be a mixture, a variety of content so that your readers are not bored. Add new product reviews, recipes, special offers, competition details, etc. in your email to offer variety. Kick-Ass Emails has used some emails that were sent out previously again and again, but this was only done with emails that had extremely good open and click-through rates. Now, we advise you only use such emails once a month. This is to say that you should always analyze your autoresponder data and see which emails do well for you. Tweak your emails for optimized results and keep a swipe file, copy folder of your best performing emails. You can mix emails up by using the best open rate subject lines with the best click-through rate email bodies and construct awesome emails which would undoubtedly perform well. Include clear, bold links. The prime motivation of email marketing is to encourage your readers to click on the links you want them to open. The links should be bold and visible so that your subscribers access them easily. A few lines of motivating words are enough to lead to them to click the link. As discussed in our previous module, always include a CTA link straight after your first paragraph. follow our format, size, length, and breaks module for optimum results.